So hello my dear viewers. Today I'm gonna show you much interesting video. I hope you are enjoy it. So we are telling about something like is rocking. Here you can see the Jalwa game now too much popular in gaming industries. If you want to like this types game, so you can contact me. I can provide you description box contact links like WhatsApp or Telegram. You can hire me like this development websites fully customizable and its design now popular. I can provide you all API games like slots, short slots, fishing, PVC, casino sports, etc. Okay, so main thing is Wingo trends. If we are open as a Wingo, there's a trend number is a genuine from other sites like a Big Daddy or Tiranga or 51 Club. Okay, so you can get a same trends and same result at this time. Secondly, I can show you deposit section. Here you can see payment gateway channel. I can provide you Chinese payment gateway like this. My internet some slower. Okay, fine. This is one like a interface. Here you can see the promotions activities. There is a fast deposit bonus activity awards. A to Z's are simulated. Invitation bonus. A to Z as a original is a technology info. PHP Vue.js backend and front end Vue.js. Attendance bonus and gifts, betting rebate, super jackpot, fast deposit bonus like this. And secondly, lucky spin. Everyone demanding this lucky spin wheel, turntable wheel. This is also working. And most interesting part is it's a new design. If you make this like website, so you can earn a much lot. So I'm gonna show you now admin panel. Sorry, now I can try to log in. This is a admin dashboard. You can control everything A to Z. Most important part is this is a original script like others game. So first thing is if you want to change window 30 seconds period, so you can set a manually, or if you follow the trends, so you can continuously working. This is main trends like I am gonna showing you Big Daddy BDG, sorry, BDG, sorry. Here is a confirm next prediction. If I choose a 1 to 0 to 9, then I can set a confirm prediction number. So next coming prediction will be setted. Okay, K3 manager same as it is work, and 5D manager. Here you can see 5D manager. Then next step is finance. Here I can set a manual payment gateway, USDT rates, USDT UPI image, deposit update, withdrawal, send, reject. Support deposit problem, withdrawal problem, game problem. Manage games. Here I can check. You can manage bonus types also. Red envelope, agent, red bonus, recharge fast, full gift, invite, card binding, weekly award. As it is, if you want, you can provide your users. Okay. Then check same IP. If your user found as user ID, your system also automatically detected if your user using same device. That's many anti-cheat protection here's available. If your site working need, so you can set a activity maintenance. So if I click this activate maintenance, so website should be showing maintenance. Then one second. Then here you can see user details. If I want a wallet balance, I can update easily like this. Second is if I click user info, then here will be shows everything details, downline users, IP address, total recharge, wallet, it A to Z. You can show it is here. Which period is playing, TRX, etc. A to Z. You can get information about this section. Next is parts daily salary. If you provided daily salary, you can set this option. Then if you want to make a subadmin, you can create a subadmin, username, password, dashboard. Which one you want to use, if you want to provide permission like a dashboard, Wingo Manager, K3, 5D Finance, Manage Games, etc. Okay. Then you can create a demo user. It's a main part. If you want to launch a, like this game, it must be needed a demo user for promotion purpose. So this option available already. You can get. You make a agent user, salary type, select salary type. If you want to provide your agent monthly, weekly, daily, you can add easily. Deactivate agent, you can choose the user ID. If you type a user ID and search, then here will be shows ban agent or deactivate agent. So video will be too much long, so I'll coming next videos.